Welcome, language learners from all around the globe, to Listen Up, the podcast that takes you on a captivating voyage through the English language. Whether you're just starting your journey or have been navigating the intricacies of English for some time, this podcast is designed to be your trusty compass, guiding you towards fluency and unlocking the wonders of English. I'm your host, Karen, a passionate traveller and an experienced teacher of English as a second language. Join me as we embark on an exciting expedition filled with all aspects of English life, read by a native British speaker. Together we'll conquer the challenges and celebrate the victories of learning English as a foreign language. Each episode of Listen Up will immerse you in a variety of topics, from aspects of British culture, history, and literature. We'll explore useful vocabulary that will empower you to communicate confidently in English. If you want to read along with the podcast, head to my website, onepawinthesand.com/ESL. The link is in the description. But this podcast isn't just about learning English in isolation. It's also about building a community of language learners, supporting one another, and fostering a love for the English language. I encourage you to engage with us through my Patreon page, where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, share your own language journey, and as a reward for being so amazing, you will get exclusive content each month. So whether you're sipping tea in Tokyo, walking the streets of Sao Paulo, or studying in a bustling cafe in Berlin, Listen Up is here to accompany you on your quest for English fluency. Join me as we embark on this transformative expedition, where language becomes an adventure and your dreams of effective communication become a reality. Get comfortable and let the learning begin. This episode is called Mastering the Art of Packing. Taking a holiday in a hot country promises sun-kissed adventures, sandy beaches, and vibrant cultural experiences. But amidst the excitement of planning your itinerary, there's one crucial aspect that often causes stress: packing. The key to stress-free travel is mastering the art of packing a capsule wardrobe. By creating a versatile selection of clothing, you can enjoy your holiday without the burden of overpacked suitcases and can even save on fees for extra bags. Here's how to pack a capsule wardrobe for your next hot weather getaway. Research your destination. Before you start packing, familiarize yourself with the climate and cultural norms of your destination. Consider factors such as temperature fluctuations, humidity levels, and local customs regarding dress. This knowledge will guide your clothing choices and ensure you pack appropriately for the weather and local culture. Stick to a color palette. Selecting a cohesive color palette for your capsule wardrobe will maximize outfit combinations while minimizing the number of items you need to pack. Neutral colors like white, beige, khaki, and navy are versatile and easy to mix and match. You can add pops of color with accessories like scarves, jewelry, or a statement bag. Choose lightweight fabrics. Opt for the lightweight, breathable fabrics such as cotton, linen, and lightweight polyester blends. These materials will keep you cool and comfortable in hot weather, while also being easy to pack and wrinkle resistant. Avoid heavy fabrics like denim, which can be bulky and uncomfortable in high temperatures. Embrace versatile pieces. Select clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. A few key pieces like a maxi dress, a pair of shorts, A lightweight blouse and a versatile skirt can be combined in various ways to create different looks for different occasions. Choose items that transition seamlessly from day to night, allowing you to explore during the day and dine out in the evening without needing a wardrobe change. Pack multi-purpose accessories. Accessories can elevate your outfits and add personality to your capsule wardrobe. Choose accessories that serve multiple purposes, such as a wide-brimmed hat that provides sun protection, while also adding a stylish touch to your beach ensemble. A lightweight scarf can double as a shawl for cooler evenings, or as a cover-up at the beach. Opt for a pair of comfortable sandals that are suitable for both sightseeing and evening strolls. Consider cultural sensitivities. Respect the local culture by dressing modestly when appropriate. Research any dress codes or cultural norms regarding attire, especially if you plan to visit religious sites or rural areas. Pack a lightweight scarf or shawl to cover your shoulders or knees if needed, and be mindful of any restrictions on revealing clothing. Limit shoes and accessories. Shoes and accessories tend to take up a lot of space in your luggage, so it's essential to pack only the essentials. Choose a versatile pair of sandals or trainers for walking and a dressier option for evenings out. Limit yourself to a few pieces of jewelry that can be mixed and matched with different outfits. Roll, fold, and organize. Maximize space in your suitcase by rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves space, but also helps prevent wrinkles. Use packing cubes or compression bags to keep your clothing organized and separate clean clothes from dirty ones. Pack heavier items like shoes and toiletries at the bottom of your suitcase to distribute weight evenly. Edit, edit, edit. Once you've assembled your capsule wardrobe, take a critical look and edit out any unnecessary items. Be ruthless in eliminating anything you don't absolutely need or love. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing for a hot weather holiday. Leave room for souvenirs. Lastly, remember to leave some space in your suitcase for souvenirs and mementos you'll inevitably pick up during your travels. Packing light not only makes your journey more manageable, but also leaves room for the treasures you'll bring back home. By following these tips and tricks, you can pack a capsule wardrobe that's perfect for your hot weather holiday. With the right clothing and accessories, you'll be able to embrace every moment of your adventure with style and ease. Here's my suggested packing list. 2 lightweight cotton or linen t-shirts. 1 sleeveless blouse or tank top. 1 casual button-up shirt. 1 pair of lightweight shorts. 1 pair of linen or cotton trousers in a neutral colour. 1 versatile skirt, a neutral colour, medium length. 1 maxi dress. 1 sundress or beach cover-up. 1 lightweight cardigan or jacket for the cooler evenings. 1 wide-brimmed hat for sun protection. A pair of comfortable sandals or flip-flops, and 1 pair of walking shoes or trainers. A lightweight scarf that can double up as a shawl or a cover-up. Sunglasses. Minimal jewelry, a couple of versatile pieces. Enough underwear and socks for the duration of your trip. 1 swimsuit or bikini. Sunscreen, insect repellent, the basic toiletries of toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, and any necessary medications. A lightweight beach towel, reusable water bottle, and a travel-sized umbrella or rain poncho, depending on the weather forecast. Remember to adjust the list according to your personal preferences, activities planned, and specific destination requirements. With this capsule wardrobe packing list, you'll be ready for a week of sun-soaked adventures in any hot country. As we wrap up another exciting episode of Listen Up, I'm thrilled to offer my dedicated listeners an exclusive opportunity to take their language skills to new heights. Unlock the door to fluency with private lessons with me, tailored just for you. As a token of my appreciation, I'm giving a special 25% off voucher to all my fantastic listeners. Embrace the joy of learning, immerse yourself in a personalized language journey, and watch as your confidence soars. Don't miss out on this limited time offer to make language learning an even more rewarding adventure. Use code PODCAST24 at the checkout and let the linguistic exploration begin. Thank you for joining me on this incredible language learning voyage. Your success is my inspiration.